Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Hey guys, today we're going to read the fable The Young Rooster by Arnold Lobel. The theme or the lesson is that at first failure may prepare the way for later success, meaning you might fail or not do well at something, but that might help you later to get better. Rory and I are going to read it, and when it's time to crow, Rory will be the crow guy. A young rooster was summoned to his father's bedside. Summoned means that you're brought somewhere or ordered to do something. Son, my time has come to an end, said the aged bird. Now it is your turn to crow up the morning sun each day.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
The young rooster watched sadly as his father's life slipped away. Early the next morning, the young rooster flew up to the roof of the barn. He stood there facing the east.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
I've never done this before, said the rooster. I must try my best. He lifted his head and crowed.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
It was weak and scratchy, was the only sound he was able to make. The sun did not come up. Clouds covered the sky and a damp drizzle fell all day. All the animals on the farm came to the rooster. This is a disaster, said the pig. We need our sunshine, shouted a sheep. Rooster, you must crow much louder, said a bull. The sun is 93 million miles away. How do you expect it to hear you? Very early the next morning, the young rooster flew up to the roof of the barn again. He took a deep breath. He threw his head back and crowed, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" It was the loudest crow that had ever crowed since the beginning of all roosters. The animals on the farm were awakened from their sleep with a start. What a noise, cried the pig. My ears hurt, shouted the sheep. My head is splitting, said the bull. I am sorry, said the rooster, but I was only doing my job. He said this with a great deal of pride, for he saw far in the east the tip of the morning sun was coming up over the trees. Oh, I am so glad that rooster did not give up. What about you, Rory?
Good.
Think you did good?
But,
Yeah.